You're watching Arkansas Style on KARK.
I am joined by Cody Dover of Little Rock Property Buyers today. Hi, Cody. Nice to see you.
Yeah, likewise.
Yeah, I've really enjoyed getting to know you, learn about your business, of course, meet some of your happy clients. But today, we're in a home that I would not consider necessarily distressed. So you have some clients who sell to you for other reasons, like convenience.
That's it. Yeah. So if you guys go back to the last episode, Miss Shirley, she was in a little bit more of a distress with a bad tenant. This guy here in this house, he just wanted to be done with it. There's a lot of stuff left behind that we'll show on screen. I mean, it's a beautiful house. This is the master bedroom that we're standing in. But there's a lot of things that go on when you sell your house on the retail market. This guy just didn't want to incur that cost.
Exactly. So if you're at home and you're thinking, the house is outdated, it's too hard to maintain, it's full of stuff, but you're in a beautiful neighborhood, it's got a beautiful facade, give Cody a call, and then let's talk a little bit about the process of what somebody can expect.
Yeah, that's it. He found us online, so he reached out to me first, and I'm always up front like, hey, Mr. or Mrs. Seller, you could probably get a lot higher price if you go on the market. But he didn't want to go through that. There is so much stuff that was filled in this house, a few spots leaky, and it was just outdated. Wallpaper, 1980s bathroom. The retail market, they don't want that sometimes. They want it fully fixed up. And so for my offer to come in and help him avoid all that, that's what he really valued. He knew that he was getting a little bit less than what he could get on the market, but at the end of the day, I found that price is not the biggest thing, it's more of the convenience.
Exactly. Convenience is a big factor, especially when you're talking about your properties. These are big investments and you want a return on your investment. And sometimes the cost to recoup some of that is much higher than if we were to sell to you for that convenience.
That's it. The costs are hidden, and those costs is not just money. It's the time, the energy that it takes to get it market ready. We just don't have to deal with all that. We'll just come in and buy it as is.
Yeah, again, imagine if you're at home and you're thinking about selling your house, having to put it on the market, get it market ready, have people walk through your house at a moment's notice, and then worry about can they afford it, do they have the financing. You buy the house as is and you do cash offers. Explain to somebody what that means to them.
So cash offer is us, it's not showing up with a bag of cash. We go through a title company. Cash just means there's not a third-party lender or appraisal required. So when I buy the house as is, that's me buying it, that is my inspection. If I go through a bank financing, there's a lot of requirements that have to be made and also time delays. And so when I buy with cash, that just means that when title is clear, we're ready to close.
Yeah, no hassle. And then touch on what it means to be as is.
Yeah, so as is meaning this house had a lot of stuff left behind. He thought he had to clean it all out and get it out. That's like a $2,000, $5,000, give or take, moving fee. And we just inherit all that stuff and let us deal with it. So as is meaning where is, how is, however, we buy the house in any form, condition, shape, or size, and you leave all the stuff behind that you don't want to take.
So if you're looking to sell your home quickly and effortlessly, Cody is your guy. It's one-stop shopping. You give him a call, he'll come in, tour your home, make you an offer, and hopefully you walk away with a great deal and a lot of convenience. Great to see you, Cody.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much.
We'll be right back after this. You're watching Arkansas Style.